According to scientists, the universe was formed about 13 billion years ago after a huge explosion that would be called Big Bang. From that moment on, the universe began its expansion. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is only a tiny part of the universe, and our system, the solar system, is only a small part of the Milky Way. Our planet Earth had inner activity, but also atmospheric activity. Nature made its appearance 3 billion years ago, when some molecules were able to use the sun's heat. Many plants began to proliferate, first inside, then out of the water. The oxygen created by plants was used by other organisms. These microscopic organisms were developing and becoming more complex to form the first animals. All vertebrates, for example, come from fish. These evolved into amphibians and reptiles. According to scientists, a meteorite fell to Earth 60 million years ago. Owing to this fact, almost all the dinosaurs became extinct. Thanks to this, mammals had the opportunity to evolve. The habit of making galleries to hide from predators allowed them to escape. The first humans were hunter-gatherers. Then they discovered agriculture and livestock and embraced a sedentary lifestyle. All animals live together in harmony and respect with Mother Nature. But humans evolved, and with them, all their most basic instincts. Mother Nature endowed these apes more intelligence than to any other living being. But it forgot to provide them with something more: wisdom. Thus, human beings thought they were the master of the world, just because they had a more developed intelligence. They took advantage of the plants and animals and contaminated the world around them. They took advantage of the plants and animals and contaminated the whole world. Paradoxically, the most intelligent being created by nature, was the most dangerous for itself. Nature, annoyed by the behavior of these humans, sought their anger in the form of storms, tornadoes, and natural disasters. This was the fury of a sick mother who hid the sadness to see how humans were destroying everything she had created. The first to suffer the consequences of these acts were the smallest and poorest humans.
It seems that we are going down to our planet.
Fancy time showing in South Korea. We also kiss us.
This is what people have at this community. Rise of the light.
We are fit in time to time over.
Take care of Mother Nature. Take care of our planet.
You may think that everything is done by nature. Perhaps, when you hear the term natural disaster, you may think about science fiction films. You may think it will be a matter of a far future, and that we have nothing to do with it. The thing is that we are destroying this wonderful world that has given us so much. It's time to worry about our future. Let's take care of our planet.